Oh, there's the first pop. Wow. This is a really big box. I guess let's get into it, see what we got. Wow. And that really does take up the full box. That is big. All right. Whoop. As you can see, this is the 21 by 21. I don't even know if this is all in the frame. This is a really big unboxing. Let's see. Wow. The 21 by 21. This is it. This is the cube that we are working towards in all of 2026, right? All of the cubes on this channel are working towards this probably by the end of the year to be able to successfully solve this cube. Starting with the 8x8 and working our way up. This is going to be fantastic. So, wow. Oh, can't even get it up with one hand. This is in there. We'll get to that in a minute. Wow. I hope that is all in camera, but that is massive. All right, put that aside for a second. I like the fact that this is all foam. Some of the earlier versions were plastic and it broke pretty easily. So, there's not anything else in here. There is no spare core, no spare pieces, no spare anything. So, whew, it puts a lot of pressure on. Wow. Okay. All right. This pamphlet that is phenomenal. Innovative quintuple center design makes the turning and feeling more balanced. Top molding technology makes 2,709 piece components combine perfectly. Multi-inner circle combined with the quintuple center design brings more stability, a smoother turning on this cube, along with providing excellent anti-pop performance. This is a pretty nice little booklet. All right. Definitely a booklet you're going to want to keep for your collection. Wow. This is massive. Wow. This is pillowed, obviously, so it's not flat. But, you know, given, I don't know if you can see that, but given the fact that they have to clear so much room with every turn, I understand why it's pillowed, right? This is an amazing engineering marvel. Wow. This is quite a bit. All right. Can we checkerboard this cube? Let's do it. Okay, so already as I'm turning this, it's starting to catch a little bit. That did not go as planned originally. Yeah, that is catching significantly. I have to be very careful with each of these turns. I mean, I knew I was going to have to be careful to begin with, but this is a whole other level of being careful. One side. Wow. Oh, this is the first pop. Wow. All right, that looks cool. All right. That is it. It is checkerboarded. Wow. This, just in these turns, just to checkerboard it, is showing me how difficult this is really going to be. I honestly do not know yet what I don't know. In just checkerboarding this, I already had one pop. That's surprising to me. It's a big cube. It's really hard to hold together. That kind of goes without saying. So, the checkerboard looks amazing. But again, this is going to be difficult whenever it comes time to solve this. It's going to be difficult to scramble it, but I'm going to have to keep realigning the pieces for sure. But that looks amazing. All right. More to come in 2026. We're all about big cubes. And we're leading all the way up to this, to 21 by 21 by 21. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these upcoming videos, including the one where we finally scramble and solve this behemoth of a cube. Thank you all.